Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Leukocytouria. In leukocytouria, if there are more WBCs are present per high power field, then we call it as leukocytouria. In leukocytouria, there is presence of WBCs are present in high power field in the urine. Then it is called as leukocytouria. Then these leukocyturia will signify that there is some infection going on. Then we have something called as sterile pyuria. In sterile pyuria, the WBCs are present in the urine, but the bacteria are absent. So that is sterile pyuria.
thank you and thank you for watching.